Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some long to short hair transformations. Here we have a gorgeous pixie style. This one features so much texture. I love the volume and the heights that the stylist was able to achieve within the cut. She looks absolutely stunning. And then we move on to our next transformation. Looks like she's in the salon for a cut refresh. Stylist trims and shapes up her hair. Beautiful feathered bangs to frame out this pixie style. She looks amazing. Very nicely done. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders, around mid-length or so, and she decided to switch things up with this trendy bob. This one has a gorgeous cascading shape, really creating a nice amount of volume and a dramatic angle going there in the front. And then we have a Barbie pixie makeover. So one of the hottest trends these days is definitely the Barbie movie, and we're seeing a lot of hairstyles trending that are Barbie inspired. Loving this pixie with the pink. She does have an undercut with this and more of an ash blonde and black hair color combination. Very fashion forward look. Next up, we have this asymmetrical all black pixie style. I love the fact that she paired this with a red lip. The stylist creates a pointed nape area in the back. Gorgeous bangs in the front to frame out the style. And looking at it again, it is more of a pixie bob. However, she does have a lot of options when it comes to styling, and she can wear the hair all flipped to one side, making it more of that asymmetrical pixie look. This is very trendy and modern. And then we move into an angled bob style. A lot of fullness and thickness within this bob haircut. Gorgeous amount of sheen on her strands as well. And then we move into another hair transformation. Now she has some beautiful, thick, wavy hair. Gorgeous ginger hair color. And it looks like she wants a bob with curtain bangs. Very nice. Now this plays into that layered bob trend that we're seeing this season. It's a great way to add some volume to your hair. Very pretty, nice, chic style. And it does appear that she darkened the hair just a tad. Next up, we have another hot haircut idea. Beautiful undercut bob style. This is playing into that mini bob trend that we're seeing. So if you're looking to go short, but shorter than a traditional bob, longer than a traditional pixie, this would be a great option to try out. Here we see someone with mid-back length hair. The hair is placed into two ponytails, and the stylist begins to cut. Beautiful, chic, classic bob haircut. Very nice. Next up, we have someone with mid-back length hair once again. She ends up getting a gorgeous jaw length style bob. Very nice face framing with this cut. And then we see another gorgeous bob with the money piece highlights going there in the front. Beautiful tousled bob with a little bit of a slight wave action going in the bangs. And then we move on to someone who has dark mid back length hair. Looks like she wants to get a bob. Wow, look at the fullness within this bob. Very nice. I love the angled shape. Very nice. Her hair looks so thick and full. This is gorgeous. Definitely a stunner. Then we see someone who decided to darken up their hair and get a bit of a trim with their bob. She does have that nice tousled wave effect going with the cut as well. Next up, we have someone with hair just around their shoulders, and they decide to switch things up with this pixie bob style. Look at the amount of volume the stylist was able to achieve with this cutting. Absolutely gorgeous haircut. Another great volumized hair idea. And then we move into the next hair transformation. Now she has super long waist length hair, almost tailbone length, I would say. Wow. Yeah, her hair is past tailbone length, so the stylist kind of cuts it to about waist length. Wow. That is a lot of hair. Next up, we have someone in for a cut and color refresh.